Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link buttons to pages in Squarespace. First, navigate to the page where you want to add a button. Once there, hover over the content area until you see an insert point, which looks like a small plus sign. Click this point, and a menu of content blocks will appear. From this menu, select the button block to place it on your page. This is the first step to guiding your visitors. After adding the button, a configuration window will pop up automatically. Here, you can customize its appearance and function. Start by typing the desired text for your button. This text should clearly indicate its action. Next, choose one of three sizes: small, medium, or large to fit your layout. Finally, select a design style such as solid, outline, or text to ensure it complements your website's overall look and feel. Now, let's connect your button to a page within your Squarespace site. In the button editor, click on the Link tab. You'll see several options for where your button can lead. Select Page to link to an internal page. A drop-down menu will then display all the existing pages on your website. Simply choose the specific page you want your button to direct visitors to, making navigation seamless. Beyond internal pages, your button can also link to external websites or downloadable files. If you want to direct users to another site, select the external option and paste the full URL. For documents, choose File and upload your PDF or other file type. Remember to check the Open in New tab box for external links. This keeps your visitors on your site while they explore new content, improving user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.